Well, I'm here at Pets on Broadway at 28th and Broadway here in Northeast Portland, and beautiful sunny day. And this is going to be my last window here. So I think what I'm going to do is what I did before is I would do the seasons each time, but this time I'm going to incorporate all the seasons. So I think I'll start with summer or spring, and then maybe summer, and then over here do fall, and then winter. I wanted to end up with winter because I'm going to have a cat or something throwing snowballs around, so that I can do a design that's high up in the air. And but anyway, let's get a look at what we got over here. This stuff is all permanent, and it'll look like this 10 years from now probably. And this stuff can be cleaned off when it gets stuff on the window. You can wipe it off if it gets dirt on it or whatever, because if you look close you can see the clear on it. So it has 2 coats of clear. I got some more kind of realistic animals down here, and then the entryway, and this one looks good too with the fish and stuff. It's pretty bright. Anyway, so yeah, because this is going to be my last window here, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate all the seasons on the end, and maybe I'll put a clear over it too, and they can just leave it up. They can leave it up forever. All right.